Hi guys, and welcome back to the Rare Wellness Podcast. Wellness is a rare treasure hidden in the maze of daily challenges. Here we explore uncommon pathways to health and vitality, focusing on cutting-edge ideas in regenerative, longevity, and performance medicine, all delivered in concise episodes of 5 minutes or less. I'm your co-host, Nathalia, and today I'm excited to get to co-host with our host, Dr. Jamie Lewis, a leader in regenerative and performance medicine. Dr. Lewis, thank you so much for having me on the podcast, and I'm excited to have this conversation today.
Yeah, it's always good to have these conversations.
Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or treatments. So I know in today's episode, we're going to be talking about NAD+, a powerful molecule with exciting implications for health and longevity. I feel like NAD+ is a really popular topic right now. So let's just dive into it. What is NAD+? How does it work? Why is it gaining so much attention in the wellness community?
Yeah. So Nathalia, NAD+ stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. And it's a coenzyme that's literally found in every cell of the body. It's critical for energy production and cellular repair. NAD+ works as a helper molecule in the mitochondria, essentially the power plants of all of our cells, helping convert nutrients into energy. It also plays a key role in DNA repair and activating enzymes called sirtuins, which are involved in regulating metabolism, aging, and overall cellular health.
That sounds incredible. So why are people in the health and wellness space so excited about NAD+?
Well, as we age, the levels of NAD+ in our bodies naturally decline. And this decline is associated with reduced cellular energy, slower repair mechanisms, and an increased risk of age-related conditions like neurodegeneration and metabolic dysfunction, cardiovascular disease. But if we replenish NAD+ levels, the thought is that we're essentially giving our cells back the tools they need to perform optimally and support overall health and longevity.
That makes a lot of sense. So how would people replenish their NAD+ levels? Are there specific therapies or treatments available?
Well, Nathalia, NAD+ is not absorbed orally. So sometimes people will try to take precursors like NMR or NR, but really the best way to get NAD+ into your body is by either an IV infusion or by an injection.
So what can someone expect when they're getting an NAD+ IV infusion? Does it feel different than other treatments or IVs?
Yeah, infusions of NAD+ can be a bit unique compared to other IV therapies. Many patients report feeling a sense of warmth or flushing as the infusion progresses. Some people describe a tingling sensation or maybe some mild nausea, which is why we often administer the infusion very slowly to try to keep the patients comfortable. Afterwards, patients commonly feel a surge of mental clarity and increased energy with improved focus.
That sounds amazing. Who doesn't want that? Are there any specific groups of people who benefit the most from NAD+ therapy?
Anybody who's experiencing fatigue, brain fog, difficulty recovering from stress or illness. It's also valuable for people looking to optimize their performance, whether it's mental, physical, or both. Additionally, it's been used to support recovery from conditions like addiction, chronic fatigue, or neurodegenerative diseases.
So what are the long-term benefits of NAD+, and how does it tie into the broader goals of longevity and regenerative medicine?
Sure, the long-term benefits of NAD are tied to its ability to support cellular repair, reducing inflammation, improving metabolic function, and that tied together should have overall, hopefully, an anti-aging effect. By replenishing NAD+, we're addressing the root cause of aging and supporting the body's natural ability to heal and repair. It's a cornerstone of longevity strategies because it helps preserve both health span and lifespan.
Dr. Lewis, this has been such an interesting conversation. I just love learning about longevity therapies, and NAD+ has, so much research and insights that I'm really excited. But are there any key takeaways that you want our listeners to take from this episode?
Sure. I think the key takeaway is that NAD+ is an essential molecule for energy, repair, and overall vitality. And whether you're looking to optimize performance, recover from an illness, or simply age gracefully, replenishing NAD+ can be a powerful tool, Of course, it's important to approach any therapy as part of a comprehensive plan that includes proper nutrition, exercise, and stress management.
Well, thank you, Dr. Lewis, for sharing your expertise on NAD+. For our listeners, guys, if you found value in today's episode or learned something new, please subscribe, leave a review, and share this podcast with a friend. Your support helps us continue to provide empowering free content for you.
And to anyone listening, remember, your body has an incredible potential to heal and thrive and perform. Sometimes it just needs the right tools to unlock its full potential and live your best life now.
Thanks for tuning into the Weird Wellness Podcast, you guys. If you're interested in getting an NAD Plus infusion or wanting to know how you can book a treatment for yourself, check the show notes and learn more there. Until next time.